I have seen the future of automotive dent repair, and that future is Camauto Pro. Now, Charles, how are you revolutionizing the automotive collision business?
Grinding and welding keys and burning the panel in the back. We now using a glue pulling system that we can pull any dent, repair any big or small dent from outside without touching any component in the car, or removing or installing any component, or burning through the panel.
What is the secret to your system?
The secret is we have the strongest glue in the market right now in dent pulling system. Plus we have the strongest tab. We lift the car with that. And
You lift a car with it.
yeah, we lift the car with our glue and our tab. And the tab are so strong, and the glue is as well.
The system works great. How much training does it take to use it?
It takes 5 minutes. Just 4 easy steps. So any bodyman in any shop can use it, and just reading the instruction inside. It takes 5 minutes, and that's it. So he's ready to go.
Camauto Pro is a great system. They also have a heat dissipating gel that you can use, and you can use heat all around these dent repairs. Check them out at CamAutoPro.com.